So, like this very work now.
No, okay. Because this is your hip for there.
Like this very work now. This one a frameless window.
Okay, this one a frameless.
Yes, frameless window. So, whenever starts the welding work now, this one is complete skeleton.
Okay, I want me to see as they prepare the skeleton.
Okay, good. This one is complete skeleton.
Okay, now the skeleton.
Yes.
Where the mediator, when you already point and say, see, oh, nice ML. Oh, okay, now the ML hole be that.
Yes.
16 ML?
Yes, 16.
Wow.
Where the enter.
Wow.
So this one is complete skeleton. So like 2 of the windows already ready, which is toilet. Maybe that one.
Okay, no. When a glass this. So.
Yes.
Wow.
So this one the frame. Maybe this one.
Okay, the frame of the frameless.
Yes, this one the frame. This one the toilet for the frame. Now still be all these ones. Like all these ones on a staircase today.
All this one for staircase.
Yes. Like this one so. A staircase today for the house.
I did say something like this. Where they come with this one again? All best aluminium. Okay. That's the switch for my hand.
Okay. Like this one. Novice will call and brush. What they call and thunder resistor.
My partner, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, 11 January 2025. For today, therefore, favor all best aluminium workshop. So I come monitor some of our Edo Talk Show viewers work when you do for grant. Now I come monitor for today. Here I workshop after I do the work, so it will stop there for here. In front of me, now the favor all best aluminium. I believe. Okay, favor. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So me can talk to you for today. My name is Saboya. I say you now favor all best aluminium. What are they here? Now it's some of Edo Talk Show viewers work. Now come monitor for today. I want me to show me. Maybe tell our viewer as the work to reach your hand. Before you tell our viewers I'm gonna visit our website. The link there on top of this video. Before you give any of our client to work, you have to call our number there on top of this video. Over to you, Mr. Favor Best Aluminium.
Before I will say anything, first of all, I would like to thank all our viewers all over the world. It's how it goes when they say they recognize me and the one they say give me this work. I say may the Lord Almighty bless you and your family. And you will be say they follow me, they go anywhere when I go, they record the work. I say thank you, sir. God bless you.
Amen.
So like this very work now.
No, sir.
Okay.
Because this is your hip for there.
Like this very work now. This one a frameless window.
Okay, this one a frameless.
Yes, frameless window. So whenever starts the welding work now, this one is complete skeleton.
Okay, I want me to see as they prepare the skeleton.
Okay, good. This one is complete skeleton.
Okay, now the skeleton.
Yes.
Where the mediator, when you already point and say, see, oh, nice ML hole. Okay, now the ML hole be that.
Yes.
16 ML?
Yes, 16.
Wow.
Where the enter.
Wow.
So this one is complete skeleton. So like 2 of the windows already ready, which is toilet. Maybe that one.
Okay, no. When a glass this. So.
Yes.
Wow.
So this one the frame. Maybe this one.
Okay, the frame of the frameless.
Yes, this one the frame. This one the toilet for the frame. Now still be all these ones. Like all these ones on a staircase today.
All this one for staircase.
Yes. Like this one so. A staircase today for the house.
I did say something like this. Where they come with this one again? All best aluminium.
Okay.
That's the switch for my hand.
Okay. Like this one. Novice will call and brush. What they call and thunder resistor.
How you call it?
Thunder resistor. So like when you back, okay, more on this side. More see here. That thunder resistor here, see here. Like if breeze slammer
Wow.
So don't go resistant.
Okay, you know, kill the glass.
Yes.
Maybe the work.
Yes, maybe the work.
Okay.
Yes. So this one the complete skeleton.
Okay, the complete skeleton.
Skeleton for the work.
Which color be this one, guy?
This one are complete black.
They see red, blue for inside.
Yes.
This one a foreign material been up from Nigeria here for made.
This one Nigeria all this aluminium stuff. Nigeria here they do.
Okay, all this aluminium stuff.
Yes.
And Nigeria for the producer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So this one is complete skeleton.
So this one will you be like what is it? It may do for come a wall.
Yes.
Okay, now window be this.
And window be this one. Me I raise and with me here.
Okay. This one is different for casement too.
This one
that's open and I be like you see.
This one are frameless.
Say it's different like it's different for casement.
It gets your shape entirely.
Because as you open, 6 space come this side.
Yes, it gets your shape entirely.
Wow. This very one now. Which location this one they go?
This one they go Ego.
Where are you talking?
Ego.
Ego.
Yes.
Okay.
After that Ego market.
After Ego market.
Yes.
Now this one they go. Like this one so. Because I know a skeleton. You must finish them before it go. Or if you do finishing, like this one so how much?
As for present now, this one are 129,000.
129,000.
Yes.
Okay.
For this one with protector. Won't be as yours be so. With protector.
Now maybe to say finishing.
Yes.
Okay, with protector.
Yes.
Okay. I see you talk about
it gets double for a year. This one is single.
Okay, this one I be single.
Yes. You get double for a year. Most here. So the double when they talk about maybe this.
Okay, now double there inside there.
Yes, yeah. It gets something we cross for middle. Yeah. This double as present now.
Yes.
Now 158,000.
158,000.
Yes.
Okay.
With 16 mm and 5 mm glass.
Okay, with 16 mm and 5 mm glass. That thick one.
Yes. If your money not still reach, you say okay. Now so your money reach, what we'll do one for you. We'll still negotiate price. We will use that 16 mm.
Okay, now you not can't use that 16 mm.
Yes, but that 16 mm to me, if I'm to avoid, I say is the best.
Okay.
So
what? Okay, that's it the same with this one.
Yeah, the same thing. This one.
This one when you talk just now, you talk about
this one has step case. Like this one.
Step case.
Step case.
This one they carry.
This one get protector on his own.
This get protector. This get glass.
Yes.
This one, how much for?
This one as it is so. This one 105,000.
Okay, 105,000.
Yes.
Okay. Any other one then when you see let our viewers?
Like normally. This one, we don't showcase this one. Make the customer know say in work.
It's here.
Yes. So like this one now. This one they go upper.
This one a slide?
Now sliding window. They go upper for a bar. There they go.
Mr. Favor Obes, no say the other day we come here. Concerning this price.
Yes.
I know say don't say no say everything for Nigeria every day they increase. Yes. Now see the same amount.
This one as present now 55,000 naira.
How much?
55.
55.
Yes.
Now so you must see let our viewers know the price. Okay.
So this one I buy they go for upper. So
for upper side.
Yeah, it's supposed to come up before December. Sorry, before that Christmas, but come put it after Christmas. It's supposed to come out this week, but still. You have to give me a hold on first. So me see no say in work is still there. After you still get work, you say you don't spend like more than a year.
Okay, for your warehouse there.
Yes. Don't get work, don't spend more than a year. Like this one. This one.
Okay, all this one where you
yes, they go a hole. Abi? Not be a hole. A hole.
Okay, this one they go a hole.
A hole, yes.
That's it slide.
That's sliding window. Now do for couple.
Okay.
I do for couple.
As you package like you go couple on that side.
Yes, now the glass now cup now so we did that carton.
Okay, now the glass did that carton yes. What you see there.
I did that carton.
Wow. For now, this toilet door now how much? Okay.
As present now, 55,000 naira.
How much?
55.
Okay, 55,000 naira.
This one they go down the streets.
Okay, this very street when you do so. Okay. Oga Mr. Favor Best. This Casement, you don't talk about Frameless. I bet say shipment for Casement.
Casement the price for now as present now. Now 115,000. When I talk say 150,000, don't be 150,000 because one viewer call me.
Okay.
So that is 115, which is 150,000.
Okay, 115.
Yes, I want make it clear way, make you understand.
115.
Yes.
Okay.
As present now with protector. So without protector as present now, na 90,000 naira.
Okay, without protector.
Yes.
Present now, 90,000
yes.
naira. Okay, my people, now don't hear Oga Favor or best aluminum. So what are they here for today? And some of Edo Talk Show viewers work. Now call monitor for today. And you don't throw mats. You visit up the price for the frameless. Even slide and this is a toilet door. Oga Favor, any other thing there when you let our viewer know before you call your phone number and your address?
No, for today I've said it all.
Huh?
Today I've said it all.
Okay, you have said it all. And your phone number and your address, okay?
My phone number is 090-677. Sorry, 090-677-26
Okay, 090-6 and again
090-677-26
Okay, and your address, okay?
My address is Aduawa, popularly known as Akara Junction.
Okay, Akara Junction.
Once you just enter Benin Street, the store dey popular for Akara Junction. Just see that aluminium store inside here.
Okay, aluminium store wey dey inside Akara Junction, Benin Street. My people, I greet you and I wanted to watch this video.